Cutting a carbon fiber seat post on a bike, we'll be using the hacksaw measuring tape, the respiratory protection, and then some goggles. You don't want to inhale any of the carbon fibers sheddings as you cut the post. Mark the lowest position on the post on the bike. That's the lowest it will go. I want it to be all the way down to the middle, to the bottom here, so the seat post is much lower. So if I mark it here, I'm going to take it off and then measure this distance on the bottom and cut that much. That way the bottom of the post is right at the bottom of the bike. So here is how much I want to actually put back inside the bike. It's about 3.5 inches that I want to shorten this. So then here at the bottom I've measured 3.5 inches. And I've marked the tape right there, so that's where I want to cut it. I do want to make sure I measure where the stop line is, so I can mark it up here. So basically I can know how much of a tube has to be inside the bike as recommended by the manufacturer. So right now this is about 4.25 inches, so I'm going to keep track of that number. Mask, goggles on. So here I've marked where I want the saw to be, and I'm going to start cutting there. There it is. It's a pretty clean cut. Now we'll try it on the bike. There it is. Now we want it to reach all the way to the end, and it can, but we'll probably stop it somewhere around there, around here. Putting here just minimum insertion 4.5 inches, which is what we measured as that's what the manufacturer labeled as the minimum insertion. Just so we remember in the future, so we know it's already been cut.